it's Joy and welcome again to my YouTube channel. For today's video is about how I edit my Jessica Vu inspired YouTube intro. So if you're interested to watch this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and then the notification bell so that you'll get updated whenever I upload my newest video. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Asking how I edit my Jessica inspired YouTube video or YouTube intro video. So ayan na nga, ito na nga. You only have 5 steps to do before you go through the editing process now. First is you have to download your own wallpaper. So in my case, I downloaded this one because I like the color. If you're a girl, then you opt to have that colorful, but if we are a boy, I suggest the universe, since this is a Otome game inspired intro video. So the next one is you have to download your own font. If you already have this font, then that's good, but if you don't have that font, then I recommend that you download this one in thefont.com because it's only for free. These fonts, you have to download these fonts. Okay, so the third one is you have to make your own elements like this, because that are the important elements that you're going to use in editing your Otome games inspired video. And then the fourth one is of course the music. Okay, so this one, but if you have a music with effects already, so you can opt to download this video and in MP3 file, extract the audio. Yes. And then the fifth one is you have to of course have these apps here. This app here is for text overlays. This app here is for your elements editing. This one is for video editing. This is highly recommended because it's way more better than KineMaster. It's way more easier to use and less complicated. I highly suggested this one. Okay, so if you wanted me to make a video about this app, so please comment down below. Okay, since we already have these 5 important elements, then let's jump into the editing process. First, download fonts at thefont.com. Search for Ancient Medium, Digital 7, and Pixeled Regular. Save it to Fonto. And install it. Click the camera icon and click Photo Album. Choose the transparent background from PixArt, then tap to add text. Type the first letter of your title only because we want it bigger in size than the other. Then choose the Ancient Medium font. Now don't worry if you don't see any background because we're using a transparent background. To make a transparent background, go to PixArt and choose the gridded part background and download it. Type the remaining letter, same font but smaller in size. Arrange it according to your liking. If happy with the arrangement, save it as PNG file. This step is optional. If you want to add texture in your text, you can add a pic to overlay. But if you want a hassle-free, you can change the font color in Fonto. because adding overlays in your text takes time, especially the cropping. Next is to make these sets. The first set is the plain text. Second is the settings with black highlights. Third is the new game with highlights. Those highlights gives the click illusion of the text. Make sure that the font of the settings and new game is the dot digital 7 and the rest is pixeled regular. Now go to video editor and choose your desired background. Then type your YouTube channel name and duplicate it with black highlight. Adjust the duplicated text seconds after the first text. Then add the arrow icon, or you can download a green screen mouse icon. Adjust it as the same as the duplicated text, then add the music for timing. Don't forget to add text animation. Choose the reveal from right animation. For the mouse animation, click the keyframe to animate. Adjust the timing with the music. Then if it's on time, click add picture and choose the galaxy text. Place it on the center and add the zoom animate. Add the float animation after. After that, add the first set of text. Place it on the center and add the second set. Align it well on top of the first set. Then add the third set. Align it also on the top of the previous set. Add a mouse icon and timing it on the highlighted text. I forget to add the mouse icon in this video, but don't forget it on yours. It's the same step as the first mouse icon in this video, or you can add the green screen mouse icon with animation already. Next is add the loading animation. Again, you can download loading animation in green screen and add it for a hassle-free edit process. Next is to add the next button and triangle icon we made at PixArt. And add your cutout pictures with text back like this. Don't forget to add swipe left animation. And make sure it's on time with the music. The last one is to add the welcome icon. It is up to you on how you want your welcome text to be like. Check its timing always. You can also add your welcome text below your last cutout, like this one. And now your intro should be like this. So that's it. I hope you liked my very short tutorial video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below for any YouTube video suggestions. So once again, thank you for watching. Bye!
Feels okay. Stay up hard to say. I miss you and I wish that you'd give me the time. Feels so great.